Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about selfish people. You know, the type of people that always take, and never give. I will advise everybody, if you know somebody that's selfish, run. Because that person 9 times out of 10, they're not going to change. They always want something, but never got nothing to give. And I know my mom told me, rest in peace. She told me, like this fist right here, if you're a selfish person, it's nothing can go in and nothing can go out. So always have something you can offer people to make their life better, and just don't be a selfish person. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you're on YouTube, and I'll be back with more tips. And hey, y'all be great. This is Booker Williams. It's a new beginning.